これは何でしょうか。
こちら料理長特製の水かかんという水羊羹でございます。
水羊羹。はい。
お茶はビワのお茶でございます。どうぞゆっくりお召し上がりください。
はい。We are in Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura. And we are just checking in. This is in Kakunodate, which is in the Senboku region of Akita Prefecture, which is in the northern region of Japan, main island. This is a luxury ryokan, Japanese inn, with onsen in every room. Very hard to get reservations. But with COVID, it wasn't too difficult. And unfortunately for us, the cherry blossom, sakura, will blossom in about 12 days from now. So right now there is nothing. Konnichiwa. And there's some stuff for sale. And we are in Akita, so there's Akita dogs. Mm-hmm. ここは創立してから何年ぐらいになるんですか。ああ、そうですか。This is a 10-year-old ryokan, so it's relatively new. It looks very traditional. Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura. A boutique property with hot springs, onsen, in the middle of beautiful nature near the Kakunodate Samurai District. Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura. We will be shown our room momentarily. Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura, in the middle of nature, I guess. And this is the private bath that guests could rent for a certain duration. All rooms have their own free-flowing natural hot spring bath, onsen bath, but you could also enjoy outdoor open-air variety here. So let's just take a look. Just you and the elements in total isolation and privacy. This is natural onsen straight from the source. Come over here. Kind of a cool lounge area. So you can just sit here and chill. Some more view of the surroundings of nature. And back at the onsen. Free-flowing, never recirculated, straight from the source. At Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura, or you can just say Wabizakura, which is in Kakunodate in Akita Prefecture, which is in the northern Tohoku region of Japan. So just one other thing to show you as we wrap up the property tour of Wabizakura. It's the main building. It's a thatched roof, gasho style thatched roof. Again, this is this was built 10 years ago, so it's fresh and modern, but it still has a real sense of place in the northern Tohoku region of Japan. See here, there's a little shrine. Yep, Jinja shrine. See that here. This is the main area. We'll walk over here, show you the entrance, which also has kind of a thatched roof. You can see there's still some snow, leftover snow. It just suddenly became very, very warm. It's about, the high is around 24 degrees Celsius, which is why the cherry blossom, the sakura, is expected to bloom probably in about 12 days from now. Here's the parking lot. Let's turn around and give you a look at the entrance. There you go. Wabizakura is what this thing says right here. And this gets us a good view of the main building of this luxury ryokan. Anyway, so Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura. Hope you enjoyed.